Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. I think like many of us, I sometimes go through periods when I feel anxious and overwhelmed. And when I feel that way, I try to find ways to naturally reduce stress and anxiety and quickly bring my body into a calm and peaceful state. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some simple Qigong exercises that you can use to combat stress and anxiety and quickly restore yourself to balance. Let's begin. Begin in a standing position. Relax your whole body. And I want to start this routine with a breathing exercise that's called the big wave breathing. We're going to focus on mindful movement and deep abdominal breathing to quickly relax the body and calm the mind. So move your hands slightly inward outside your lower abdomen. We're going to inhale slowly and deeply through the nose, then exhale out, relaxing and softening the whole body. Inhaling through the nose. Exhale out through the mouth. Every time you inhale, visualize a big wave lifting your arms. Every time you exhale, let it flow down your entire body. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up, nice control breath. Exhale, relax and soften. One more time. Inhale. Exhale down. Then move your hands inwards. We're gonna inhale, open the chest, look to the side. Exhale, soften, bend your knees, come back to center. Inhale, nice, slow, deep breath in. Exhale. So keep breathing, keep moving. So every time you inhale, open your chest, fill your lungs with fresh oxygen. Every time you exhale, let your chest relax and your body soften. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, let your arms float out to the side. Exhale, round your back and sink down. Make sure that your breathing is nice and soft. Try to do that without creating any tension in your body. Let it flow. Be gentle and soft. Inhale, open. Exhale, soften. One more round. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, relax and come back to center. Then we're gonna stand up and extend left arm out, right hand will go back, turn to the back. Your eyes follow the hands, press out as if you're pushing something in front of you. Let the other arm drop down, opening the chest. Inhale. Exhale as you push forward. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep your knees comfortably bent. Slowly rising up and then sinking down as you press forward. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Be mindful and keep your shoulders relaxed. Let your arms roll along with your breath. Inhale, open. Exhale. Inhale, open. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. One more round. Breathe in. Open the chest. Nice deep breath in. Exhale. Push forward. Inhale on the other side. And exhale. Let your arms flow down. Come to a comfortable Qigong stance. Maybe move your hands out to the side. And notice how your body feels. Go ahead and close your eyes here. Notice how your chest feels and your upper back. Feel the sensations in your arms. Relax and soften your hips all the way down to your feet. Become aware of your entire body. And then sink down. Inhale as if a big ball shaping all around you, gathering the soothing energy around you. And then let that ball just flow down right through the center, all the way to your feet. Sink down again. Inhale, raise up. Visualize a big ball of calming energy around you. And then let that energy flow down your entire body. Relaxing, softening, and letting go. Inhale. Use your creative mind to visualize that calming, soothing ball of energy. And then let it flow down. Inhale again, go up. Exhale. All the way down. Guiding your attention and awareness through your body. Guiding the energy away from the head and into the body. Inhale, go up. Exhale, soften down. Every time, guiding our awareness to our feet. Inhale. Exhale. Notice the space in front of your body and underneath your palms. Go very slowly so you can feel the air passing through your fingers. Nice, slow, deep breath in, and then exhale down again. Washing over your body, triggering a deep state of relaxation. One more time. Inhale and exhale down. Check out with your neck and shoulders, down your back, the sides of your body, into your hips and legs. And again, take a moment here to simply rest in the feelings of ease, comfort, and relaxation. Notice your feet flat on the ground. Feel connected and well grounded through your feet. Relax and soften your whole body. And then place your hands on your lower abdomen. We're going to finish with a breathing sequence. Go ahead and inhale. Let your belly expand into your hands. Exhale, let the muscles relax. Slow and steady. Inhale. Guiding your breath all the way down to your belly. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Notice how your chest barely moves. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. All your attention is right into your belly. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Feel the warmth from your hands penetrate through, warms up the entire abdominal area. Feel your breath traveling all the way to your belly, making it expand and feel the entire area inside. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Go ahead and open your eyes and simply notice how you feel. There is little happening in your head and a lot happening in your body. A lot more present, a lot more balanced and calm. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this routine and feel nice and relaxed. Let me know how it goes for you in the comments below this video. And don't forget to subscribe to support the channel so I can do more videos like this for you. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.